No way.
Hey, what's up, everybody? TwinRippers here. We're so excited. It's Elias's birthday. He collects the Scarlet 151 set, and so we're trying to fill his binder today. We're blessed. We were able to find a booster box. We're going to go ahead and open this booster box with Elias today. He's going to rip these packs open, see if he can add anything to his binder. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get ripping. Alright, everybody, let's go ahead and start ripping these cards. Elias is practicing. So, alright, Zubat, Goldeen, Nidoran. We got those blue hands from a cookie. Happy birthday, brother. Parasect. Alright, Cloyster. Giovanni's Revenge. Wheezing. Boom! We got another Zapdos EX. Bow, bow, bow. Careful. And a Ditto. That is a Ditto. We'll sleeve that up. Put it right here in the pile. Nice hit, nice hit, nice hit. Beautiful. Put that here. I'll show it to you one more time. Got that Zapdos EX. Nice card. Alright, there's a good hit. Let's see what else we can get. We got that Machop, Porygon, Simple, Electabuzz, Coughing, Daisy's Help, Venomoth, oh yeah, Fire Pony, Rapidash, Tentacool, Tentacruel, and the Dragonite. Nice hit. Do you know what card you're missing in your set you're trying to look for?
A couple Charizards,
I think. Yeah. You got the big Charizard banger already.
Yeah.
See if we can pull another Charizard. Oddish. Mankey with the fist bump. Parasect. If you lick him, you'll start seeing funny things. Giovanni Charisma. Cloyster. The Oyster. Geodude is a Geodude. Got no hair, bro. Diglett, the poop monster. Marowak. Ooh, what happened? We got the Marowak rare. Alright, nothing too crazy here yet. Here we go. Oh, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Caterpoo, Eevee. No. Poliwrath. Oh, I see something coming, brother. Pidgeot. Raticate. Venonat. Oh, it's just a Vaporeon. Still, it's pretty. Uncle John would like that one. Here we go. Two packs left. What can we get? Execute. Clefairy. Machop, Grabber, Kingler, Energy Sticker, Rhyhorn, Rattata, go slower, Bubba, Jolteon, Basic Energy. Alright, we gotta look for a banger. Yeah, that sparkly one. That's nice. You like that?
I don't think we have that one.
I think we do. I think we have the whole set of those so far. Here we go. Last pack. Alright, here we go. Dome Fossil. Weedle. Zubat. Goldie. Tauros, the Bolt. Kadabra. Electabuzz. Psyduck. Oh, Mastar. Alright, we got that booster box here. We got a big hit here. We got the nice Zapdos. We like this one. You know, we got the electric and we got the Firebird with it. It's a nice hit. We got this one graded already before. We got a 10 on this one. So this one will go in the binder since we got the other one graded. Alright. TwinRippers out. Happy birthday, Elias. We love you. Alright. Have a great day. Be blessed.